even if need be, imprison them, at least for 6 months. This is what I have been saying on the floor of the House as well. For the elderly out-of-school children, technical education can be carried out with the help of Education Foundation, after which they may be enrolled in classes according to the age that. To kindly make this project accessible to a common person through your advertisements, through some other.
हमारा जो हाशू ग्रुप है, आपको पता होगा since 1950 I believe Mr. Sadruddin Hashwani established the group and also the foundation. Everyone over here has generational initiatives of philanthropy. Mr. Sadruddin Hashwani, who is the patron of the Hashu Foundation, and his son Mr. Murtaza Hashwani is the chairman of the foundation. Most of you know that for the more than 35 years they have been engaged in empowering and helping people. Our vision is to have an ethical, equitable and inclusive society in which people live with dignity and have power over their own lives. ये मुख्तलिफ तरीकों से हम करते हैं. One way is education, another is skill training, another way is entrepreneurship training we give to you. Especially during COVID, we realized that it is better to train the young people as job creators rather than just for employment. And together with all of my development partners here, of course, my special gratitude, it's a privilege for me to the Pakistan Teachers Forum, and I feel honored to be joining hands with Senator Fauziya as chairperson of the Pakistan Teachers Forum, and to work on this very, very critical issue most of us know about. And also I would like to acknowledge Sayyid Ishaq Gilani, the CEO of YouGood, because we're part of the child rights movement. जो बच्चों के fundamental 5 rights है, जिसमें early child marriage या trafficking या child sexual abuse उससे prevent करता है. इस सब का बुनियाद, the basis of preventing children from being violated, from suffering now and in future, is to help mainstream them, to bring them back to education. And that is why we are piloting an initiative, a return to school project, as was shared earlier. We all know the statistics, but I'm very happy to say that together with the Pakistan Teacher Forum and also with our other partners here, we want to start here in the Islamabad capital territory. And there are about 52,000 children अगर say है कि जो out of school है इधर इस्लामाबाद में. Just very quickly, I want to run through some pictures. Together we make a difference. Hashu Foundation का motto है, हम सबको पता है कि अकेले अल्लाह की ज़ात पूरी है. We have to work together. In Urdu I said all of us know that only Allah alone is perfect. For us human beings, we have to join hands, we have to work together. So the event, as was shared with you, yes.
ज़रूरतें तो किसी न किसी तरह पूरी हो जाती हैं. रोटी कुछ रुपयों में मिल जाती है, आपके कपड़ा जो है कुछ हज़ारों में, और मकान के लिए लाखों करोड़ों आपको खर्च करने पड़ते हैं. बुनियादी ज़रूरत जो हमारी तालीम की है, उसके ऊपर न गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में काम हो रहा है, न प्राइवेट सेक्टर में काम हो रहा है. हम हर साल लाखों ग्रेजुएट को प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आगे किसी किस्म की कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है कि जो ग्रेजुएट हम प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं वो हमारे मुल्क के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. तो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली हमारी मैडम आयशा से पहले की 2 मीटिंग्स हो चुकी हैं. ना सिर्फ हम तालीम के शोबे में इंशाअल्लाह के साथ हैं, बल्कि हम एक ऐसा रोड मैप बनाना चाहते हैं कि जो बच्चे इधर से तालीम हासिल करके निकले तो उनके लिए आगे अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है वो मुयस्सर हों. हमारा GSM ग्रुप इस वक्त तकरीबन 15 मिलियन स्क्वायर फीट के ऊपर काम कर रहा है, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ग्रुप है कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री में. तो हम यकीनन इसको कोशिश यही करेंगे कि इस बात को हम मैडम आयशा के साथ लेके आगे चलें. बहुत शुक्रिया जी.
invite as many young people from Pakistan to study in our universities. After all, it's not only about education, it's about people-to-people contacts, which help us, in terms of raising awareness about our countries. And I believe that through this very important area, we will be able to develop and strengthen ties between our two brotherly nations. And I hope that our cooperation will be only strengthening in education, in business. I met with our dear friends from Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce. We discussed our B2B ties. Very soon, inshallah, we are planning to launch direct flights between our countries from Almaty to Lahore and then from Almaty to Karachi. And I invite you to visit our country. Believe me, you will like it. We have so many things in common. We have so many things that should unite us. And I do believe that through joint efforts, we will be able to overcome all these challenges, problems that we face in our countries, helping each other, supporting each other. This is the only way we can make our region successful. It is not only about Kazakhstan or Pakistan, it is about our whole region. So once again, thank you all for inviting me. I wish you all, Ramadan Kareem, and may Allah Almighty bless your beautiful country with peace, progress and prosperity. Pakistan, Kazakhstan, Zindabad. Thank you.